Calling all active adults from one of Lakewood Ranch's newest 55-plus communities. Welcome to Cresswind, the community built on the idea of bringing together a robust lifestyle with clubs and programming inspired by the homeowner's interest. This pet-friendly community plans to feature a resident-exclusive clubhouse overseen by a full-time lifestyle director. Come join your friends at the fitness center, yoga studio, art studio with ceramics, or even various social clubs. Cresswind features over 250 acres, including a pickleball and tennis courts, walking trails, a resort-style pool and spa, and an event lawn for the food trucks. What about the bocce courts and the outdoor social areas? There's plenty to do here in this neighborhood. Homes range from 2 to 5 bedrooms with a wide range of personalization and structural options. Starting in the low 300s and ranging up to the mid 600s, Cresswind offers a home for all lifestyles. We hope you found this video valuable. We're so excited to help you find your dream home here on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida. Subscribe to our page on YouTube and give us a call today. It's our mission to show you what it's like to live, work, and play here in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. Our agents are excited to get to work for you.